Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Nerds channel. Today we are going to be learning how to solve Instagram message that not showing. If you are experiencing issue with Instagram message not showing, you can try the following troubleshooting steps. Google Play Store and search for Instagram. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. If any update option is available, tap on update. Check the internet connection. Make sure you have the stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Restart the app, close the Instagram app and reopen it. This can help refresh the app and resolve minor glitches. If restarting the app does not work, try restarting your phone. This can sometimes resolve the connectivity issue. After that, clear app cache. For that, open the phone setting, scroll down, you can see here apps, tap on it and tap on manage apps. In manage apps, scroll down and tap on Instagram. After that, tap on storage. In the bottom you can see here clear data, tap on it. After that, from pop-up, tap on clear cache. Ensure that your phone has sufficient storage space. Running out of storage can cause apps to be hacked. If none of the above steps work, you may want to uninstall the Instagram app, then reinstall it from the Google Play Store. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.